Hi, I'm Kate. In this video, I'll show you how to grow your brand with corporate event planning tips from Paperless Post. Create a polished invitation for your event that reflects your brand with our new suite of features designed specifically for professional events. First, go to paperlesspost.com and click the tab on the top for Paperless Pro. Browse from thousands of designs in any of our business event categories and select the invitation you'd like to customize. Upload your logo, customize the text and colors, add photos, and choose your envelope, liner, and backdrop to create an invitation that establishes brand recognition from the first open. Then, create a custom email with your logo, photo, and colors, and a branded event page, so everything your guests see comes across as professional and cohesive. To help with your event planning, you can send guest questions along with your invitations to collect relevant information before you proceed with booking vendors. Ask multiple-choice, checkbox-style, or open-ended questions about your guests' dietary restrictions and meal preferences. Then, use the information you've gathered to inform your catering choices. Add blocks to your page to share helpful planning information with guests. Include a travel block to let guests know the nearest airports, train stations, and more, or an accommodations block to provide hotel info. Include a details block to provide any other relevant details your guests may need, such as directions, parking information, or dress code. Reach out to any potential sponsors for your event in advance so you can maximize your budget and plan accordingly. Show appreciation for these sponsors and let your guests know who they are by including a sponsors block on your event page. You can also include a speakers block to highlight the event's keynote speakers or any important guests of honor. Track and organize your guest list to stay as prepared for the big day as possible with our helpful event management tools. View RSVP insights via your tracking page to better visualize your guest list. Our advanced analytics view features easy-to-read graphics displaying metrics like page views, open rates, and responses, so you can keep up with your event planning in real time. Additionally, you can organize your guest list into groups with guest tags, such as VIPs or London team, to help you see the breakdown of your attendees and plan accordingly. Incorporate these corporate event planning tips to impress guests, forge meaningful connections, and grow your brand. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our customer operations team. See you next time!